guys, welcome to the new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet a mini cow, and for this I'm gonna use this two color of yarn, black and white, and I have this 2mm hook, and I have a tapestry needle, and I have a scissor. Now let's get started. So we have to make a birdie part. To make a birdie part we need to make a legs first, and to make a legs you need to make a magic ring first. Chaining one, and after making magic ring I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, round 1, 6 single crochet. Round 2, we have to do the increase. Increase means 2 single crochet in every stitches. First, and don't forget to mark the first stitches every time, I'm telling you. And increase. Round 3, we have to make a single crochet for every stitches. And you need to have a 12 single crochet in every stitches. And 4, we need to change the color, and we have to make a single crochet for every stitches. To change the color, go through this single crochet and change this. And after that we will make a single crochet for every stitches. And after this we will make a slip stitch into the first, and we will fasten off here, and we need to make another leg part, 2 leg parts, so that's why I'm going to make another one like this. Okay, next part is a birdie part. Let's make a birdie part. First of all, you have to make a slip stitch and join this part together into the first single crochet. You need to make a slip stitch here. And we have to mark the stitches right over here. And round 5, we are going to make a 1 single crochet in every stitches all over this stitches. Okay, now we'll make a round 6. For round 6, 10 single crochet. Okay, 1, and don't forget to mark the stitches. First of all, you have to make a 10 single crochet and 4 increase and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And you have to increase for 4 times. 1 increase, 2 increase, 3 increase, and then 4 increase. And after that we will make a 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so you can see here it's will look like this. Okay, for round 7 to round 10 we are going to make us 1 single crochet in every stitches. That is our 1 2 3 4 rounds. So for the 4 rounds we are just going to make a single crochet for every stitches, and you should have a 28 stitches. Round 11 we are going to make a 5 single crochet and 1 decrease. Let's do that. We need to make a 5 single crochet. I'm going to make a round 12 and we have to make a 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Okay, now I'm going to finish up this part, and this is a body part, and I will make a slip stitch, and I will do fast enough chaining 1 and fast enough. Okay, let's do fast enough, and after that we will make a head part of the cow. Let's make a head part of the cow now. Okay, to make a head part we will start from magic green. And after that we will make a 6 single crochet for round 1. Round 2 increase. Round 3 we will do 1 single crochet and 1 increase for 3 times. Round 4, 2 single crochet and 1 increase. You have to do that for 3 times. 1 2 and then increase. 2 increase. 1 2 and increase. And after this we will do next round, and we have to change the color right over here. And after changing the color we need to make here a 1 single crochet, and we will do 1 increase, and we will do 1 single crochet, and we will do 1 more, and then we will do 1 increase for last time here. Let me change the color with a white yarn, and now we are going to make a 1 single crochet, 2 and 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. For round 5 we will do 3 single crochet and 1 increase for 3 times. Change the color, and you have to make a 3 single crochet and 1 increase. 1 2 3 and 1 increase. Round 6, 15 single crochet and 10 single crochet with black, and then 5 single crochet with white. Let's do this, and I will meet you at the end part. Round 7 we have to make a 16 single crochet with a white, and then for black we will make 8 single crochet, and again for white 6 single crochet. 1 2 round 8 we will do 4 single crochet for 3 times and 1 increase. 1 2 3 4 and 1 increase. 1 2 in round 12, 9 10 11 12, just a single crochet in every stitches. But I need to fasten up this black yarn because we don't need this yarn from now. We're just going to use white, and I will meet you at the end of round 12. Round 13 we are going to make a 4 single crochet and 1 decrease. And 1 decrease. Three single crochet and 1 decrease. Round 15, 2 single crochet and 1 decrease. Now we will just make a slip stitch into the first stitches, and we will do fast enough and leave a long tail. Okay, head. First of all, we will do stuffing into the head part and the body part. Now let's make a muzzle first. And to make a muzzle, we need to make a slip knot, and after that we will make a chaining of 5 1 2 3 4 5. After making a chaining of 5, we are going to do the 2 single crochet into the second stitches here, 1 and 2, and after that 1 single crochet into the next one, and into the last stitches we will make a 4 single crochet. 1 2 3, and the last one is a 4. And after this we are going to do is 1 single crochet, and we will do 1 increase here, 1, and then 1 increase, and after that we will do the 2 single crochet into the last stitches, 1 and 2, and mark the stitches. And second round we are going to make a single crochet for all stitches. Let's do that. Okay, we are done with the muzzle, and we will make a slip stitch into the first in fast enough now. And this will be right over here for a cow. Okay, we have an eye, a mini eye, and we are going to put this eye just okay. The last part is we need to assemble this part together. First of all, I will join this arm part, Okay, now I'm going to join a mouth part as a muzzle part. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Finally I finished this pattern, and this one is a small cow. I hope you guys enjoy my video tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy crocheting everyone. And the mini cow is ready.